Hey, Mike down here, Mike's Off-Road. Got us a Dodge Ram here, and Dylan here, he's my new tech down here, Mike, and he's gonna show you what's going on with this thing, what he did to this thing.
So what we have here is a 2021 Ram 1500 that we did a Fab Fours front bumper on. We've done rigid pod lights as well as a rigid light bar in the bumper. This is a worn VR Evo winch we've also installed. I'm moving around here. We have Pro Comp wheels wrapped in a Cooper Discoverer mud terrain. We did a 6-inch lift on this one with Vertex shocks. It's a rough country lift. External reservoirs, your front and rear. So whatever truck you got, new or old, bring it down to Mike's. We can outfit you with bumper, winches, lights, wheels, tires, lifts, whatever your heart desires. So give us a call down here at Mike's. We can help you out.